In this video, we will discuss our design process, we will show you our flight tests, and in conclusion explain our best kite and tail combo. For our project, we designed a ram air kite. When we first started, we tried to design a kite from scratch. We soon realized that creating a ram air kite with no previous experience was going to be too difficult. So we started with a simple ram air kite design and tried to improve upon it. We started by first creating and testing this kite. From the flight tests, we learned that the kite was unstable in strong, choppy winds. The central portion of the kite was not rigid enough, therefore the two tubes would often fly in separate directions, causing the kite to collapse and fall. In order to fix these flaws, our new design included a centralized ram air tube that would create more rigidity in the central portion of the kite. This increased lift and made the kite more stable. We designed our tails with the goal of providing stability to our kite. The idea behind the cones was to help provide directional stability to the kite by behaving like a windsock and keeping the kite directed into the wind. The idea behind the rectangular streamers was to create drag in order to keep the kite's tubes from moving in opposite directions. The small cone failed to provide any benefit to the kite. Not only was it too small, but it failed to properly catch the wind. The centralized strips provided some stability, but the kite was still prone to erratic flight. The large cone provided a small increase in stability, but overall the kite still dictated the direction of the flight. An even larger cone would have likely provided more stability. The long streamers provided the best stability. They kept the kite directed into the wind and created the least erratic flight. In conclusion, we determined that the 3 long streamers attached to the center of each ram air tube is the best of our 4-tail designs. This design is superior because the drag is spread over the entire kite. This gives each tube its own stabilizer and allows the kite to better direct itself into the wind.